Good morning students, welcome to my channel Digital Generation. Today we are going to study about myopia or short-sightedness or nearsightedness. So what is myopia? Myopia is that defect of vision in a person in which he is not able to see the distant object clearly, but he can see the nearby objects clearly. This can be made clear by giving an examples that in a school when the backbenchers could not see the blackboard clearly, but they can see clearly the copy of the nearby students. This is because they are having myopia. So why this happens? Why myopic eye cannot see the distant object? This happens because the far point of the myopic eye is less than infinity, but in normal human eye the far point is infinity. This means that a normal human eye can see the distant object clearly because their far point is infinity, but the myopic eye cannot see the distant object clearly because their far point is less than infinity. Now we will see the causes of myopia. Myopia is caused due to two defects in eyes. Number one, due to high converging power of the eye lens. This happens because the ciliary muscles which holds the lens tightly. This is the lens of the eye and this is the ciliary muscles. These holds tightly the eye lens. These when do not relax sufficiently, then what happens? This eye lens remains convex or thicker. As the eye lens is thicker or more convex, so the focal length is shorter. We know that thicker lens have shorter focal length, so their focal length is shorter. As the focal length is shorter, so these lenses have higher converging power. Thus in myopic eye, the lens have higher or greater converging power. So as a result, what happens? The image of the distant object falls in front of the retina. Suppose this is the eyeball. This is the eyeball. And this is the retina. The rays of light are coming from the distant object or from infinity. Now as this lens is thicker or more convex due to insufficient relaxation of these ciliary muscles, what happens? These rays of light converge and forms image just in front of the retina. Image is formed here and retina is here. As the image is formed in front of the retina, so myopic eye could not see the image. Thus, due to high converging power of the lens, the myopic eye could not see the image. In second case, what happens? The lens may have the correct converging power, but still the myopic eye could not see. This may be due to elongation of the eyeball. This is the eyeball and this is the lens. This eyeball is much elongated. Here is the retina and this is the lens. So the distance between the lens and the retina increases in case of myopic eye. And as the distance increases, so the image is formed in front of the retina. And so the myopic eye could not see the image. So in both the cases we can see that in myopic eye the image is formed in front of the retina and thus myopic eye could not see the image. Now how can we correct this defect? But myopic eye can see the object if it is coming from the myopic eye's far point. So if the rays of light are coming from the myopic eye's far point, then the image is formed on the retina and thus the person is able to see the image. So how can we correct the myopia? This can be made if the distant objects or distant light rays that are coming from the distant object are made to appear on the far point of the myopic eye, then myopic eye can be able to see that image because the light rays coming from the far point of the myopic eye can be easily focused and image can be formed on the retina by the eye lens. Suppose this is the far point of the myopic eye and this is the lens. This is the eyeball and this is the lens. This is the retina. This is the far point of the eye. So the rays of light coming from the far point of the myopic eye are easily focused by this eye lens and image is formed on the retina. As the image is formed on the retina, so the myopic eye can see the object. Thus, we can correct myopia if the rays of light coming from the distant object are made to appear from the myopic eye's far point. Now, if the rays of light are made to come from the myopic eye's far point, then a virtual image will be formed here, and rays of light coming from the distant object are made to appear to fall on far point of the myopic eye, and then these eye lens can easily focus the image on the retina. This can be done by using concave lens. So, by using suitable power of the concave lens, the rays of light coming from the distant object are made to appear to fall on the far point of the myopic eye, and virtual image is formed at the far point of the myopic eye. Now, the rays of light coming from this far point of the myopic eye can easily be focused, and image can be formed on the retina, and the person will be able to see the image. Now let's see how we can do it by using concave lens. This is the eyeball, this is the lens, this is the retina. Now if we place a concave lens here, of course of suitable power, so that it can diverge the rays of light coming from the distant object to fall on the far point of the myopic eye. This is the concave lens. Now, when the rays of light are coming from the distant object, these are the rays of light coming from the distant object. This is the far point of the myopic eye. What is the work of this concave lens? This concave lens will diverge the rays of light coming from the distant object into the far point of the myopic eye. These light rays are diverged, and virtual image of the distant object is formed here, where at the far point of the myopic eye. Now the rays of light coming from this virtual image, when falls on this eye lens, they are easily focused on the retina, and image will be formed on the retina, and thus this eye will be able to see the distant object. So the main purpose of the concave lens in myopic eye is to make the distant object's light to fall on the far point of the myopic eye, and then the rays of light which are coming from the far point of the myopic eye are easily focused by the eye lens, and an image is produced on the retina. Thus we can see that myopia is a defect which can be corrected by using concave lens.